Hey besties, and welcome back to another episode of House Hunting with Valencia. Today I'm going to be taking you inside of this beautiful custom-built ICI home called the Monroe. This two-story home is a little over 2,200 square feet to be exact. It's about 2,281 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. We're going to start on the first floor, besties. I'm just going to give you a little glimpse of the laundry room area. This is a model home, so the garage, that open space that you saw, is where the garage would be in the wall. This is the guest bathroom downstairs, so people don't have to be all up in your business upstairs. If you want to keep your guests downstairs, there is a restroom on the main floor. Don't you just love the word main floor? Doesn't it make you feel so opulent? Like, yes, darling, go to the bathroom on the main floor. As we go past the guest restroom on the main floor, we are going to enter into the dining area, kitchen area, and gathering area. They call it a gathering room now, you guys. It's no longer called a living room or a family room. It is called a gathering area, darling. Oh, how times have changed. But any hoodles, this open floor plan is fit for any occasion, whether it's entertaining your in-laws over the holidays, honey, or Taco Tuesdays and Netflix. You decide. On the first floor, you will also find the owner suite, which features large, beautiful windows for that natural light that you just wish would go away on a Monday morning because you gotta go to work to pay your mortgage. Yeah, I just made that up. Any hoodles, I digress. And also the ensuite bathroom, which is very beautiful. I love those windows that bring in the natural light, and you don't have to worry about like neighbors snooping. I mean, if they can crawl up and be Spider-Man, honey, oh my God. Let's go take a look outside. This home features a covered lanai with the option to extend the patio out and do whatever it is that you want to do with it. Oh my gosh, is that an egg? Pause. Seriously though, it ain't barbecue chicken unless you cook it on an egg. I'm sorry. That is like one of the best grills ever. Okay, back to the house tour. Y'all know I'm a foodie, right? Just the thought, the mere thought of a contraption that can make delicious food just gets me home sold, okay? So we're gonna travel back into the house and go to the second floor, which has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom upstairs with a loft area, which you could customize into an office space. You could close it off and actually have doors or whatever, but it has an area that, you know, your kids can be in peace with their toys and Legos, so you can save the bottom of your souls while downstairs. Listen, honey, between me and you, I got a couple of bags of Legos that I'm gonna accidentally throw away, but don't tell my kids. Oh, dear God, don't tell Max. Oh, whoever, or I should say whomever, does the interior decorating for these homes does a wonderful job, I think, in just giving the home a great feel of the room space and size, and I just love it. This is really cute. So, rounding out this video, guys, we're going to head down to the last bedroom in the home. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching and being patient with the home tours, because they are back, honey. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Again, this home is built by ICI Homes. I love this builder because they are all about giving your home its signature touch. Now, besties, this is where I leave you. Make sure you turn on those notifications and subscribe. I'll see you next time on House Hunting with Valencia. Bye, besties.